Hi guys, today I will review a rare ballast of Honda S2000. As you can see, this one is taken from AP2 Facelift models from 2004 till 2009. Basically, as stated, it's for the facelift models. So if you have a low beam failure, then before removing the bumper or whatsoever, you will know what to buy and you will be ready to go at the garage. As stated, this is a pretty much simple xenon system. It consists of one xenon ballast with part number W3T of 14371. 14371 is the part number, Mitsubishi Electric part number for the ballast unit. This one is the ballast, and then you have a igniter unit with the part number W3T 14471. These ones are a lot of versions. Basically 99% of them are interchangeable and completely compatible with the ballast as long as the plug is same. It will fit. And then in the end you have a D2S type xenon bulb, the third and the last part that consists of the xenon system of AP2 facelift models. What's important to know when you are changing the bulb, here if you see, when you are locking the bulb, you should really lock it till the end, and you have to hear this click sound, and the bulb should be locked till the end. Otherwise, if the bulb is not locked till the end, you are risking to deform the igniter and the bulb itself. That's why usually the technicians are just putting the bulb without locking it till the end, and then the igniter in time is deformed, melted and burned. So this is important. In other words, if you have a low beam failure at your Honda 2000 S2000, one of these three parts is faulty. Here the xenon system in action, the ballast unit, the igniter, or D2S type xenon bulb. If you don't have a low beam, one of these three parts is faulty. If you have any questions, guys, please just drop at the comment section. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. I guess this is all for the xenon system of Honda S2000. Thanks for watching, guys. All the best. Bye for now.